Hello there, this is Brennan O'Keefe, and I'm happy to demo my first browser application named ExquisiteWarps. It uses Node, Mongoose, MongoDB, and native JavaScript and WebAudioAPI. The idea that inspired me was the artist game Exquisite Corpse, where several people add to a drawing, but neither person knows what each friend of theirs drew in the preceding section of the paper. The first person that draws the head gives just a little bit of the border off to the next person who has just the parameters of working with the border that they were given and artistic freedom in the rest of it, and then hands it off to the last person. And then however many folds the piece of paper you had, when you unfold it, you see what you built together. So my idea was the same, only using audio, and I thought it could be utilized to tell spoken word stories, to create a song together, or even a mixtape. So let's run through it real quick. This is what it looks like when the first person logs in. They drag in a file, and they're going to dictate the snippet that is sent to the next user. So this is like the border of the piece of paper. Maybe if it was a story, it would be the place in the last sentence of a 2-minute story, and then you send that to the next user. Oh, I didn't say that correctly. So we'll drag in the first file here. It's pre-made. And then I saved that and sent it, and Ringo logs out, and John logs in. Now, my Exquisite Corpse has 5 people contributing to it before it's unlocked, which was a bad choice since the Beatles were a 4-person band. But that only occurred to me as I was getting going this morning. So user number 2, John, logs in, and he has the ability to hear the snippet before him.
Songs or mixtapes with friends.
And he can line up his section of the audio as needed, and then send it to the next person again. So we're going to log in the third user, and they have no idea what the first user did, and they are going to continue on. Maybe they were given a verse, and they're going to add a chorus, and send it to the next person who's going to do a bridge or something like that. And so when we get to 5 users, the whole creation is unlocked, and it looks like this.
ExquisiteWarps is an interactive platform for creating stories, songs, or mixtapes with friends.
Like in drawing an exquisite corpse, a user can record or upload an audio file and share just a sample snippet to the next user.
The next user then can only listen to that snippet for inspiration and does not know what else the project is made of yet. When
the last contributor puts the final audio file in, the whole project is unlocked for everyone to listen to the entire creation. How cool is that?
All right, so thanks for watching. I'm going to definitely be still working on it, getting stuff solidified with bugs and whatnot. And it has other potentials too, like maybe to send a birthday greeting with multiple people, or to just open up all of the capabilities and replace the server-side stuff with the sockets I/O server, where each person, you could have a group of people editing a piece of music or something in real time together. So all these things are exciting ways that I'm going to be continuing to work on it. So in the meantime, once I get the basics set up, you can see it at exquisitewarps.net.